today I'll show you how you're going to remove PDF permission or unlock restrictions on a PDF file. So to do that, I'll show you one example. This is a PDF file. So as it is shown here, it requests permission in order to copy or to do something. As an example, these things are restricted. Content copying, editing file content, printing. It is not possible to print this file. As an example, let's go here. If I want to copy some parts of this, right click on it, and if I want to copy, it is not possible. You see, it is save also, print, and copy. Copy option is not even available. So what you are going to do? This is the document, 75 greatest motivational stories. So we'll bring it to the Chrome and we'll do our job. So what you are going to do is you have to go for PDF Unlocker online plan for free. Then you'll go for the first option, unlock PDF free online PDF unlocker. Then you'll go here, choose files. Then you have to call that paper, which is 75 greatest motivational stories. Then it is now processing. Then after finishing this one, it is possible to do our job, which means it is possible to copy part of the file. It is in progress. I think it is the size of the file is huge. That's why it is delaying. So based on this, it is possible to unlock restrictions from a PDF file. So you can use it. So let us download it. Let us open it. Now we'll see. Let's copy something. You see now it is the option, it is copy game. So print option also came. So it is possible to use this method in order to unlock your PDF file. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel.